All right, guys. So this is Brian with Ball Guy Sci, and today I am continuing out this series on ChatGPT and what we can use it for. And this one is aimed at the admin. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my iPhone screen live for you right here. And if you're an administrator and you're thinking, hey, we need to block this, we need to shut it down, the teachers are saying we need to do that, well, please check out this entire playlist because there are ideas in here across the board for every kind of teacher. And I'll keep making more. I'm asking for things in the comments. But you, as the administrator, I've got a special one for you that I think the teachers are going to like too. And here is the question that I just typed in, a little copy paste. It says, what are the most common struggles of teachers today that administration can help with? And I'm actually going to change this one word out. What are the most common struggles of parents that administration can help with, that students have, that um, your para people can help with, and every single time it's going to spit out just something that you could do. You could talk about at a staff meeting. You could go into your team meetings and you can throw this list out to your teachers and ask them to give you feedback. And this is going to build that culture that you see them, that you understand, that you can like help them, that because they're seen, they're heard, and you care. Look at this workload. I mean, ask the question and listen. If you want to help, you got to get in there and understand their world and what they're going through. And this would be a perfect way to use a tool that everybody's talking about, but in a way where this is not going to be something where somebody's feeling like, oh, you got a gotcha moment. This is common across the board. Hey, every teacher everywhere is dealing with data collection, time management. I'm just going to scroll back. Was it workload, limited collaboration or planning time? Like all the stress, all this stuff is great. Swap that out for students, swap that out for parents, swap that out for your mid-level managers, swap that out for your bus drivers, swap that out for whoever, and use this thing to help you kick some class. And I hope that that helps you engage in some awesome conversations. If you are an admin and you're using this, drop it down in the comments, and hope it helps.